Finally, millions of crypto investors are waking up today saying, at last, something that I'm seeing right now on Twitter reactions from the community because we had Terra Luna, we got FTX, we got 3 Hours Capital. Some of the CEOs behind those companies, right? The infamous companies, they're already behind bars. But there was one that affected so many people, Celsius. Right now, Alex Masinski, former co-founder and CEO, has been arrested, already confirmed, and it's exploding right now. Why is this important? Well, because it was one of the biggest news, one of the biggest frauds, right? His charges are orchestrating a super long scheme and misleading investors. That's a big one that I have for you today. We also have the first European Bitcoin ETF to be approved this month. Yesterday, we learned that two US senators are, putting more awesome crypto ideas for framework and be ready for the altcoin season. Everybody got the morning voice, but it's well worth it. Don't forget to smash the like button, guys, and consider subscribing so more people get adopted. No Bitcoin, no crypto, and education is key, everybody. So, yep, this is pretty big. Obviously, it's everywhere, and it's something that I gotta tell you, so many of us have seen, know of somebody, or experience firsthand a scam, a rock pool, or when a company goes out of business. It's not like you made a mistake. They made the mistake. They weren't prepared enough. They halted withdrawals. They closed deposits. Couldn't do anything. And finally, they filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. And you're 100% crypto. Now it's reduced to 0 or 30 or 20. So it's really painful. And some YouTubers dedicated themselves to go through all the court files, the lawsuit files. I know of one, Aaron Bennett, if I'm not mistaken, great guy on YouTube. He posts all these great Celsius updates. So there's the public interest for something like this. And Alex Masinski charged with wire fraud, securities fraud, commodities fraud, manipulating the price of his company's Celsius token. Look, I've never ever invested in Celsius. Never. I never used Celsius. There were so many options back then, right? BlockFi, Celsius. I did gem and I earned and I got burned. You guys already know that. If you don't know, don't worry. Let me know in the comments down below. I'll explain. But you selected whichever earn you wanted. It was really huge and popular back in 2021, 2022 with the bear market. Everything started to get destroyed, get slaughtered. It was the time when these companies with FTX collapse, everything really got destroyed and got to Celsius. And while this guy, I always heard him say, banks are not your friends. Remember that one? So, but basically, he became his own enemy, and now a lot of people are probably very, very happy that he has been arrested. And well, I gotta show you this one, right? We got FTX, then we have 3 Hours Capital, then we have Alex, and then we have dogecoin, right? And I see this, and this is of course a wallet, where you put all your funds, your crypto, all the money, all the millions, all the hundreds of thousands of dollars an investor could have saved just by putting the money right there. I've lost, I don't want to say lost, but I don't have access to some money because of what occurred last year. It's painful, it hurts, it's sad. And you feel like, come on, you didn't do anything wrong because you didn't sell money to a scam wallet or an NFT wallet or whatever, garbage, fake URL, but you put your money here and then with the bear market got destroyed. So this is really, in a way, justice for a lot of people. And I'm happy to see, I mean, the market consolidating, not much uneventful, but I'm happy to see Alex Masinski arrested. Let me know in the comments, guys, how you guys feel about this one for sure. It's exploding, it's big, it's one of the things that a lot of people were really waiting for, right? Now, breaking news as well today, July 13, Europe's first Bitcoin spot ETF launched this month. So it's approved to launch this month, FT. Financial Times. So that's awesome, right? I showed you yesterday in my video that some crypto, very important crypto insights, how it's it's likely that next year some of the American ETFs, right, Bitcoin ETFs like BlackRock, Fidelity, and more, will be approved somewhere around the Bitcoin halving. Seems that Europe wants to approve it as soon as possible. What's gonna trigger, fam? It's probably the next bull market once BlackRock, Fidelity, Vanguard, and ARK Invest and anywhere around the globe say yes to Bitcoin, and all those asset managers, all those you know investors who don't want to do crypto wallets but want to do securities, in this case stocks and ETFs, mutual funds, right? They want to put their money there and get into the crypto industry without buying any crypto. That's what they want to do. Fine. So that will be awesome for adoption. That'll be awesome for word of mouth. That'll be awesome for our industry to grow and more money to come in. In a way, it will help, and everybody is pretty excited. So it's coming, fam. You heard it from here. Breaking, adoption coming. Yeah, that's what people are saying. This was yesterday. Just in, U.S. senators reintroduced legislation to create federal regulation framework for Bitcoin and crypto. Basically, how to regulate cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin here in the U.S. Some people say, "Oh yeah, better way to tax us," right? So in a way, that when the government gets framework, it's a way for them to get what they want, which is money, but also how to impose some rules, because it's better to have rules than not have rules, and then they can have some more open space to do um negative have a negative impact against us, the investors. So I met the two of them at Consensus last year. They kind of like to go to Consensus in Austin, Texas, or Bitcoin conference, and talk to her. So it was good, listening and hearing senators speak on this issue that it's very important for you and me. So great stuff, fam. I want to show you this one. This is an account that I really recommend you following. Bitcoin dominance. When Bitcoin dominance goes up, altcoins go down, right? That's the rule. They're predicting that when altcoin season is going to start showing up once again, is when obviously the Bitcoin dominance goes down. Altcoin season, Bitcoin dominance goes down. Altcoin season, Bitcoin dominance goes down. So the last altcoin season, it was when we had Bitcoin at 2021, 2022. That was the huge crypto bull market. Bitcoin reached 60s once again, couldn't break it, but altcoins went through the roof. And that's what matters, fam. It's coming along according to this chart after 24. So be ready. I know it's going to be a long wait. I'm very aware of that. But Bitcoin is the first one that's going to rally and skyrocket to $100,000. Take it to the bank. Right now, great. There you guys have it. Being updated. That's what's going on. That's what a lot of people are celebrating. And it's another great day, fam, where I know nothing is moving. But if you have the right mindset, if you understand where we're going as a community, it's always good to see stuff happening in our industry. I love it. I'm going to smash the like button, guys. Take a look at all the links down below to support the channel. See you next time, fam. Peace.